Portal Gale said once, "Your network is your net worth." He also wrote the book titled "Your Network is Your Net Worth." Networking is tremendously powerful to search the job. Your chances of getting hired increase manifold if someone appropriate refers you in an organization for a job opening. Before we proceed further, let me remind you to subscribe below and enable the bell notifications to receive all the updates on this channel. You can also follow me on my social media pages and join various groups. All the links are given in the description below. Let's dive into today's video. Your circle, online or offline, can connect you to many people who are working in the industry you are trying to get into. You might be the first one to know about the opportunity which is available in any organization related to your field or the field which you want to get into. You might get an opportunity to apply for a job which still haven't made to the job boards, because most of the employers prefer to look for the employee internally or someone through employee referrals for the jobs before publishing them to the job market. There are huge number of benefits of physical as well as social media networking. Networking carries the capability to expose you to the new emerging fields within your country or outside your country. You might get an opportunity to explore new areas. People from your network can let you know where to look for the job, and they are the ones who can review your resume for your next job position. On top, if you attend various networking events, you get chance to know about various buzzwords, gain knowledge and opportunity to expand your network. More and more number of employers are getting online on social and professional networks to look for the potential employees. They are posting job openings on these professional networks to get the quality applications. Professional networks are better for employers because they have more chance to understand you better, to understand your likes, to understand your interests. So, in the same way, it is a great opportunity for the people who are applying for the jobs. It is a chance for the applicants to show their skills, to show their interests, to show what they are looking for and how they can solve organizations' problems. Next question is, how can you expand your network? There are many ways to expand your offline as well as online network. To expand the offline network, you can search the events which are happening near you. You can go on the various apps and websites such as Meetup, Eventbrite, LinkedIn. You can check the Facebook groups, or you can also check 10 times. On these spaces, lot of the events are being published every day. You can just go there and look for the events which you find interesting for yourself. Afterwards, go to these events, meet people from different backgrounds, understand what they are offering in these events and how can you be part of it. You can talk to them and tell them why you are there in this event. You can also share your ideas and views about the topics of discussion in that event. In case you are going to attend an event for the first time, you can take someone along with you so that at least you have someone to speak with, and slowly with time, after attending this event multiple times, you will get acquainted with the people there and start sharing ideas and knowledge and go along with them. Sometimes you already know who will be attending the event and who is the person who is going to give the seminar, and you are interested to connect with that person. In that case, you can already decide, you can already rehearse what you want to talk about with that person. You can tell him how you can contribute to the group. You can also tell what are you expecting, and you can also share your expertise to engage more in this group. One of the most important tips I want to tell you, take your business cards along, as you will definitely need them to exchange contacts with different people. Be consistent in attending such events and meet your contacts frequently. You can offer your support in organizing the event. You can also offer to participate in the network talks. It will also help you to bring forward your talent. After having established a healthy network and good connections, people already know you. They know who you are, what you can bring to any organization. They will not hesitate to refer you for any open position in their company. If you think you are not a person who is the center of attention, you might think that you don't want to attend the event because you are not extrovert, you are an introvert person. In that case, there is no harm in attending the event. You can listen to the people there, you can gain knowledge, you can upgrade yourself, you can learn about new ideas. After coming back from this event, You can search on the internet about those topics, those areas, and gain more knowledge and new applications so that you are a better version of yourself. Let us now talk about online networks. Have impressive LinkedIn, Zing, and Twitter accounts. Keep them updated all the time. Expand your presence on these networks and interact with the people in your field. Expand your network on LinkedIn, Zing, and Twitter, and on maybe some other network in your region. You can read the posts related to the industry you want to get into. You can comment on those posts. You can engage with the people who are posting about those areas. It is recommended to join the job search groups and other technological groups to be with like minded people. You can post articles there. You can engage with the people. You can attend various webinars in the group. You can also host some webinars regarding the topics you have knowledge about. In that way, you will be more engaging, you will be noticed more in the group, and finally, you will have the healthy network. If you follow these tips related to offline as well as online networking, your chances of getting hired will increase exponentially. This is all I have in today's video. Give a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Have a good day.